Okay, let's say you have a 2011 Buick Lacrosse and you need to remove the side view mirror, either the left side or the right side. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First thing we're going to do is we're going to move this cover from here. So just come over here on the side with your your screwdriver, and just pop it out. It pulls right out. You don't have to take that end off. So here you have the two number 10 bolts and the plug. After you remove those two number 10 bolts, come over here and hit that one right there. To remove that plug, there's a clip on the bottom. Come outside, and there you have it. Hope this helped.